Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how I achieved these super jumbo box braids with the beads on the end. So with that being said guys, let's get into it. First thing first, my products that I use in this video is Shine and Jam, Edge Control, Tropical Roots, Got to Be Glue Gel, some spritz, and scissors and a comb. The hair I will be using in this video is from Soku hair. If I'm pronouncing that correctly, they did send me this hair to do a review on, so this video is sponsored. It comes with 4 bundles of braiding hair. This is a color 1B in 24 inches. If you're interested in this hair, you can click on the link down in the description box. With that being said guys, let's get started. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think about this style in the comments. And if you can get someone to pre-part your hair for you, girl, do that. Or if you can do it on your own, better than me. Kudos to you, girl. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoy this style. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about it. And if you prefer this style but with the knotless braids, let me know in the comments. Enjoy.